So today we are packing up and heading out, taking the RV up to Shreveport with family. Today we're packing the RV up and heading to Shreveport because we got 2 hurricanes coming our way and we don't trust the floodwaters. But then we're gonna have to come back and get a hotel room because Joel still has to work. So we'll evacuate if they send out an evacuation. But 2 hurricanes hitting at one time is scary and I'm not willing to risk it, so here we go. You're getting so hot.
Okay, Gumbo's
So now we're about to clean the toilet out. Clean in the toilet. That way, while it sits for a little while, it's not going to smell like an outhouse. Just wait on this guy to open the window. What?
What's that blood?
Well, can we do this first? Can we do this first?
I've already started.
What's this? Is that a tire? Is this a tire?
Yeah, it's a spare tire. Hey, how are you?
You got trouble?
No, we're actually packing up and taking it north for the hurricane, and then we'll be back.
Hey, did you talk to them at the office and ask if this area floods?
I haven't, no, but that's what I'm worried about, so we're getting out of here.
Especially with both of them.
Yes, that's what I'm scared of. Are you ready? Okay.
How far north are y'all going?
We're going to Shreveport. He has family there. I'm gonna park in their yard, and then we'll be back. But I don't want to risk it, you know.
I'm worried too. I called my wife and talked to her about it. I don't know
Yeah.
what to do yet.
I know. Some are saying to wait and see because it could go different directions, but I mean, we're like smack dab in the middle of both of them.
And if one goes this way and one goes this way,
Yeah,
then I'm worried about tornadoes.
exactly.
You know, all these trees are rotten at the bottom. Hang it up, it might be a hurricane. We're gonna have a hurricane party.
Turn it off.
Well, hey, good luck to y'all. We're
Thanks.
the best for it.
Good luck to you too.
Hey, take care of that puppy, okay? Gumbo.
Yes. Do what? What, Joel?
Turn the water off.
It's off. What?
Is there a kink in the hose?
It's what?
A kink in the thing?
sweeping the top off so we can bring the slide in. So we don't get the thing messed up. Really?
Hello, it's me, Layton. Our fish, Mike, has passed away. And we are going to bury him now. Do you have everything? All right, let's dig. I should be. I'm gonna try to get a shovel. I want to get a knife. No, don't get a knife. So pour them here. Pour them wherever you did it. Did you do that so creepy?
It's so hot, so hot. We're almost done. We're gonna run and get some food, some gas, and then head out. Hopefully, we got a full car. I'm gonna kick 2 of them out and put in Joel's car.
It's not me.
Who's it gonna be?
I know it's not me. I already asked.
They fight to ride with me. Really need to clean my windows, give them a good washing, but you can't because they took all the things away because of COVID-19. What?
I found my other flip-flop.
Good. Where is it? So y'all are just gonna have to deal with my dirty window. Like I'm gonna have to deal with it.
We have stacked things on top of our ends for our hose. So instead of throwing our hose away or taking the chance of anything that's gotten in this hose to get on top of anything in our truck caps or storing them. In our case, we've stored them in my truck bed. We don't really have a place on our camper to put them. So instead of digging all that stuff out that we just now put on top of it, I'm going to take plastic bags and wrap them around the ends and just take some duct tape and wrap it around the bag. Like that. And that way, nothing gets inside of it. And on some of these newer hoses, you can't fit them into the back of your storage. So if that's the case, and you put things like in the back of your truck with other things that you don't want to have bodily waste on, you can always just bag it. So that's my tip of the day.
Okay, you ready to head out?
Yes.
Alright, hey guys, it's me, Layton, and she's going to take the iPad to my brother. You don't know yet? Go tell her that I'm going to show you all this. She's not coming back. Rush. Tell me if you see her coming back. She's coming.
why we're evacuating when we are. It's because we sold everything that we had or didn't need and bought our RV to
Turn left onto Arlington Street, then turn right.
we sold everything so that we could come on the road and travel and live how we want to live. So it's not just like camping for us. This is our living situation. So right now we have 2 hurricanes that are supposed to hit at the exact same time. And we are smack dab in the middle of it. Just right there. One, it has changed course and it's headed straight for us. The other one, we're on the dirty side, as everybody's saying, where all the tornadoes happen and everything. So we are taking precautions and kind of maybe leaving too early. I don't know. People are saying wait it out. Some are saying leave now. Why are you even still there? So we decided this was best for our family. We've hooked up and headed out to Shreveport, about 4 hours from here up north. So I mean, yeah, there's still possibilities of tornadoes and everything up there and the winds, and I mean, we get that in Arkansas, so it's not like we're escaping the storm, but we're not going to be right here on the coast with the RV. And we're doing everything we know how to stay safe for our family and our home and our puppy dogs. And this is the first time this has ever happened, 2 hurricanes hitting. I think it was like since 1825, since they've been recording the weather, that 2 hurricanes off the Gulf has hit at the same time. But here we go, we're gonna ride it out in a hotel and we're definitely gonna film it, so stay tuned. What's the matter? Huh?
I didn't turn the gas off.
That's important.
That's important.
Just turn it off. You want to get drinks while we're here? Okay, so we're gonna show you how you can embarrass Layton and Joel. I don't know, Joel might join, or not Joel, but Layton might join in. Joel might too, I don't know. But let's find out. Here, you do it. Let's go to Joel. Okay. I need to open my window.
I'm just worried about my other flip-flop.
You don't need to worry about me.
I'm gonna go walk them, but
Go walk the dog. Layton found a thingamajigger. He needs more water. More water!
hurry!
He's got, I don't know. Hush your mouth. Thank you. Yay for us. Battery died. So let's go see what we're doing. Waiting until the truck starts.
No.
There they are.
What?
That's what we're doing while we wait for the truck to start up.
Oh. Wendy's
I
has
put
the
the-
best barbecue sauce.
Look, I put the people in the back. Because the doggies get up front. Yeah, they do. Strong man. A muscle man. Samaritan. My window's dirty still.
I'm back to leave.
Yay!
Did it.
You did
Thanks to,
it!
I don't know the dude's name, but there's a guy come through. He helped me get the battery out on these new trucks. They stick them in the back and it's not easy to get them out. I'm short. He was a little taller than me. He reached in there, pulled
He
it out.
pointed that out too.
Yeah, he made sure.
I'm a little taller than you.
He made sure he told me that he was taller than me, but he's a godsend. God sent him, and we got our truck going. And we are gonna head on into North Louisiana. So.
Bye. See ya. Finally made it. Just backing up. About to get situated and hopefully go to bed.
Hey guys, we made it to my Nana and Happy's house, and I think we are going to stay here. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning.